Welcome to The Archer, where we explore innovative and inspiring business ideas that can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or someone just getting started, you've come to the right place. We're here to help you discover unique business concepts, discuss market trends, and provide you with the insights and strategies you need to succeed in the world of business. In each episode, we'll present a wide array of business ideas, both online and offline, covering various industries and niches. From eco-conscious ventures to tech-driven startups, we've got something for everyone. But we don't stop at just the ideas. We'll also delve into practical tips, marketing strategies, and success stories to guide you on your entrepreneurial journey. So, whether you're looking for that perfect business concept or simply seeking inspiration, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about business innovation. Together, we'll explore the possibilities and unlock the potential of your entrepreneurial aspirations. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Let's turn your business dreams into a reality. Don't miss a single episode, and remember, success begins with the first step. Stay tuned for fresh business ideas and insights right here on The Archer. First one is eco-friendly cleaning service. Offer green cleaning services using environmentally friendly products. Second one is online fitness coaching. Provides virtual fitness coaching and workout plans for clients looking to stay fit at home. Digital marketing agency. Help businesses improve their online presence through social media, SEO, and content marketing. Food delivery service. Start a niche food delivery service. For example, healthy meals, ethnic cuisine, or gourmet desserts. Pet care and grooming. Offer pet grooming and sitting services to pet owners in your area. Home renovation and remodeling. Specialize in home improvement projects like kitchen or bathroom renovations. Virtual event planning. Help individuals and businesses plan and execute virtual events, such as webinars and online conferences. Personal chef and meal prep. Prepare and deliver customized meals to clients who want to eat well without cooking. Mobile car wash and detailing. Provide on-site car cleaning and detailing services to busy individuals. The most famous one is the dropshipping business. Set up an e-commerce store and sell products from suppliers without holding inventory. Language tutoring. Teach a foreign language or offer English as a second language. ESL classes. Handmade crafts and artisan products. Create and sell handmade crafts, jewelry, or artisanal goods online or at local markets. Travel planning service. Help people plan and book their vacations, offering personalized itineraries. Virtual assistant. Offer administrative and organizational support to businesses or entrepreneurs remotely. Smart home installation. Specialize in setting up smart home devices and automation systems. Car rental service. Rent out cars, especially electric or hybrid vehicles, to tourists or locals. Interior design consultation. Provide interior design advice and consultation services for home or office spaces. Mobile app development. Develop custom mobile apps for businesses or individuals looking to solve specific problems. Tech repair and support. Offer repair services for smartphones, computers, and other electronic devices, or provide tech support. The last one is plant nursery and landscaping. Start a plant nursery and landscaping business, catering to garden enthusiasts and homeowners looking to beautify their spaces. Thank you for tuning into The Archer today. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights in our discussion of innovative business ideas. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you never miss another exciting episode. Stay connected with us on social media for more business tips, behind-the-scenes moments, and updates on upcoming episodes. You'll find the links in the description below. Have a business idea you'd like to share or a question you'd like us to answer? Feel free to drop a comment down below and we'll be sure to get back to you. And don't forget to join us next time as we dive into even more exciting business ideas and strategies. It's going to be a journey full of possibilities, and we can't wait to have you with us. Remember, your business dreams are within reach, and with the right knowledge and dedication, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So until next time, stay inspired, stay innovative, and keep chasing your entrepreneurial aspirations. This is your name signing off from The Archer. Take care and see you soon.